Presenting a pre-owned 2014 Ford Flex SE. This four-door wagon has a six-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine with front-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Ford has less than 114,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 18 miles per gallon in the city and 25 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free Auto Check Vehicle History Report. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, battery saver, digital odometer, external temperature display, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, rear privacy glass, and window defogger.